So the last law is the law of sacrifice. Everybody say sacrifice. Say like that, say sacrifice. I want you to know that there is for every rise there is a price. Any man you see at the top once had it tough. Any man you see at the top once had it tough. Any man you see at the top once had it what? Tough. Success is not a cheap talk, it's a hard work. Life has been designed to resist you more than assist you. You have to tell yourself, I'm not taking no for an answer. If you give life what it takes, it will give what it contains. If you give life what it takes, it will give what it contains. If you give life what it takes, it will always give what it contains. There's something for you, but you have to push. You have to push. Somebody, I was reading this morning and I saw something that was funny. It said that the only thing that you don't need to work hard for you to come to you is old age. So that was this morning, I was reading everybody. And that's when I woke up and started reading this morning. So the only thing that I don't need to work hard on for it to happen to you is what? Old age. Don't relax. Like, don't work hard, it will come out. Nobody will tell you work hard to get old, no. Just stay where you are, it will come and meet you there. But if you want to get anything meaningful in life, brother, you have to work for it. For everything that is working, people are working it. So I'm here to show you how you can start making millions. I want to say this to you. It's an appeal I want to make. Can I make an appeal to you? Can I make the appeal? Please, I want to beg you. If you don't come out from a rich family, make sure that a rich family comes out from you. I want to beg you. Please, I beg you. You know what? If you don't win the war of poverty, you hand it over to your children, and it's not a good thing. They will not like you. If a good man leaves inheritance for children, that means a bad man will not leave anything for the children. And it's not a good thing. My son looked at me the other day and said, Daddy, I don't know how to express how much I love you. See, you have made life so comfortable for us. I said, thank God you know. But at this age, I was in the village as a fisher boy, age 9, fishing. All through my primary school in the village, no slippers on my leg. I became a laborer, carrying wood on my head at that age. It was not my father's fault, but he made the wrong decision. So today, my son is not going through that. If he goes to school, the driver will carry him inside Prado Jeep and now rock him and bring him back. He eats whatever he wants to eat. He looked at me and said, like, I don't know how to tell you how much I love you. I just wish I can express to you how much I love you. For making life so comfortable for us. At that age, he knows. Please make your family proud. And God will give you the grace to make that happen. Fast track to millionaire. Everybody say fast track. When I run this presentation, it just take like 20 minutes. I will shut down on this. Then I'll show you a video of my place. The place I just moved in, I'll show you the video of the place. Then also do a promo for you. All the first time I want to part of it, I'll do a very short promo for you. I want to encourage you guys to come on board and start making money. My greatest joy as a man is to see people go up. I said to my pastor, my business, I said, we come home and say, by the grace of God, God has blessed me. I'm no longer looking for money to make. I'm looking for people to make. What I'm living now is for people, my name to appear in people's testimony. Everyone can say, thank God for this person. Seriously, that's what I'm living for. And God has been doing that. I've been dedicating houses and cars of members of Superlife. And this year I'm going to dedicate even more. And I know your own houses and your own cars are part of it. Yeah. I also have a car promo that the company just announced for us. For all the first time that are coming. From now to July, once it hit up to $25,000, the company will give you a brand new car on top of the money you have made. Good or very good. Yeah. So you have to look like a wounded lion. So there's all things are ready for you. And we are here to help you push you to that level. Is it good or very good? Yeah. Let's run. I'll start to learn. How do I start making the money? First of all, let me show you ways of earning. We have 4 ways of earning in Superlife. Number 1 is direct bonus. Everybody say direct bonus. Number 2 is what? Roll-up bonus. Say roll-up bonus. Number 3 is what? Key bonus. Say key bonus. Number 4 is what? Pairing bonus. Everybody say pairing bonus. Are you sure you're following? Are you sure? I'm not sure. That's what I did. Which is on Monday. I was saying, are you sure you're following? They say, yeah, I'm following. They're following. I said, I'm not sure. Let me try. When I tried, it was very obvious they were not following me. Are you following? Are you sure? Can I confirm? Please, everybody lift your right hand. Lift your right hand, everybody. Keep your Bible, keep your phone, just your right hand. Keep your paper, keep your Bible, just your right hand, everybody, your right hand. Wave your right hand, please. Keep your everything in hand, just your hand. Don't hold anything on your hand. Wave it. Listen to the rule of the test. Listen to me. Do what I say, not what I do. Do what I say, not what I do. The reason why I'm doing this is that I did a seminar one time in Jalingo. When I finished and came out, one guy followed me, said, I want to join. I said, go and join. I said, sorry, how much for registration? I was embarrassed because I explained it while I was talking. I said, I explained it, and I said, sorry, sir, my mind was not there. So I said, I want to talk about money, I must do this thing to make sure everybody is following me. I have a chair without having a chair. So lift your hand, everybody. What is the rule? Do what I say, Not what I. You do what I do, that means like Jalingo. Do what I see, not what I do. Are we ready? 1, everybody go. 2, 3, everybody put your hands on your cheek. Jesus is Lord. Hey! What happened? Hey! One guy did like this. Super live! Super live! Super live! For the first time I come, when I say super live, they say live is super. If I say super live, they say we are super. If I say third time super live, they say too much money in B level. This is our year of B level. We are moving to the B. We have seen the M. We are moving to the B this year. Alright? So they are going there with us. So what happened now? Some of you did like this. Plenty. Suppose say said I go fail. Make I keep my hand for all. Can we try it again? Promise you will not fail. Remember the rule. Do what I say. Not what I. Hey! I know what is happening. I know. You know what happens? Some of you as you are here, your mind is somewhere. School fees, landlord, all those issues. I know. Forget all those things and just stay here. If you get this information, you go and sort all those problems. Am I correct? Suppose they follow me like this. Plenty of them. Wow. I cannot keep myself. We have 90% now. So let's run with that. Alright? Are we good? Alright, let's run. These are 4 ways of earning. All the first timers, can I see your hand? First timers. Alright, see, I have the word of presenting. Anytime I'm presenting, I always ask questions. If you know the answer, just raise your hand. If you get the answer, I'll give you 10,000 for transport. Right? No matter you know what I get you 10,000. Right? So all the first time, let me see your hand again. So I don't know I'm asking questions. Good. Alright. 4 ways of earning. Alright? 4 ways of earning. Let me the 4 ways of earning. I just mentioned it. Please don't say, why if I get to your answer. Number 1.
I didn't get what I'm saying.
After this one. So we are praying. 4 ways of earning, madam. Number 1, pay by your free.
Direct bonus.
Number 2.
Roll-up.
Number 3.
Key-in.
4.
Parent
10,000. Please give her 10,000. Congratulations. Confirm the money whether it's complete. If it's complete, you wave it. So we know that it's real. She said Jesus. It's complete. She's vibrating. Jesus. No, God has remembered you. So becoming that. So when she comes close to this girl, what she brings here? She just vibrates. It's well. So don't worry, that's just one. We'll ask more questions, alright? I know some of you don't be right. Let him just ask another one now. I'll ask plenty. Don't worry, let's run. 3 membership package. For you to start earning, first of all, how do I become a member? This business is where the insufficiency can survive. This is PP. Everybody say PP. PP means product point. Just don't worry about it. Every product has a point attached to it. The star is 100 points, Supreme is 400, Super is 1,000. This is what it is in checking the pairing bonus. Among all the bonuses I mentioned, number 1 is direct bonus, number 2 is roll-up bonus, number 3 is what? Key bonus, number 4 is what? Pairing. The one I love so much is the pairing bonus. Ask me why. Ask me why. Because that is where you enjoy the residual income. You can stay in this super life without bringing one person, talking to anybody, and be making millions because of the pairing bonus. And I'll show you how. Is it good? Alright, let's run. Now, if you pay the money, anyone you choose to pay, star 55, Supreme 220, and Super what? 550. You also get the product, what the money. The STC tech our product talked about, which is our flagship product. You get 2 packs for star, 8 packs for Supreme, and 20 packs for what? Super. Now, from your pairing bonus alone, among all the 4 ways of earning, just from one way of earning, which is pairing, in a day, how much is your investment as a star? Every day you can make up to 7,000 naira from the pairing bonus alone. In a month, you make about 3.1 million. Everybody says small money. Small money. Just money. This is for students, yeah. Then, for Supreme, 220,000 registration, in a day you can make how much? 321,000. Small money. In a month, that's how much? This is for bachelors. I want to get married. You need to buy small car for yourself, buy for your wife, buy for your in-laws. This one can handle some of those expenses. But if you're a man here, it's not whether you are married or not. If you're a man, it is the mind that makes a man. It's not a wife that makes a man. It is the mind that makes a man. Right? So if you're a man here, go for super. You know why I said for super? Look at this. How much is your daily earning? Everybody say no limit. No limit. Say like I say no limit. No limit. Monthly say no limit. What that means is that if you join as a star and as a swing, once the company pays you this in a day, from pairing they will stop till the next day. Supreme they pay you this in a day, they will stop. But as a super, there's no limit. When you have to say they make up to 1 million a day, 2 million a day, 3 million a day, because they are well on the super package. Does that make sense? It's doable. Now let's run. The hour has come. Everybody say the hour has come. Yes. Ways to good. Now if you join as a star, super like operate what we call binary system. Can we say binary system? What binary means what? Two. Left or right, by. Now if you join as a star, the company say let minimum of 2 of your friends know about super life. How many? You can get 20,000, no problem. Minimum of 2. Imagine if you went out there and spoke to 2 of your friends, Mr. A and Mr. B. They came and sat, and after listening to the seminar, they said, which package did you join? People are very fond of that. After listening to the seminar, they will ask you question first before they make their choice. Say you that brought me, which one did you do? So I told them I did star. Both of them say what also do what? Star. The company say for anybody that you bring to Super Life that comes to those Super Life, because they came through you, once they pay 55,000 for star registration, the company will give you 15,000 from each of them. 15,000 times 2 is how much? That's direct bonus. That's what we call the direct bonus. First of penny. Direct bonus is the bonus they pay for bringing somebody directly to the company. Does that make sense now? Now this may look very simple, but I've created a system that will pay me for life. Now who can remember the Chinese proverb I said? First time I raise your hand up. All the first time I got 10,000 question rolling. I say if you want 1 year prosperity, do what? If you want 10 years, do it. If you want lifetime, do what? Remember, I'm asking women so much. Let me ask men. Stand, tell us. If you want 1 year prosperity, do what? 1 house. Start. People are shocking me. Is it that I don't know how to talk? If you want 1 year prosperity, start. All right, 1 year, 10 years, lifetime. Congratulations, 10,000 for him. Please give him 10,000. So if I ask you a question now, do you want 1 year prosperity? Do you want 1 year? Do you want 10 years? Do you want lifetime? What do you need to do? Plant? That's what I did here. This is me. I tried to plant men. I did not plant corn of spring. The same thing Jesus Christ wanted. So these are the 12 disciples and this is him. So he planted all of them. He brought 12. Super Life say don't bring 12, just bring only 2. The word pair, that's what we call it, the pairing bonus. Having 1 person on the level, one of the 50,000, which is 10,000 you have gotten. Remember the product they gave you as what the money they paid. So it's like return on investment. All of this is 100% profit. You have made 30,000 for traditional person, but that's not all. The company will pay Mr. A and Mr. B and give another what? 9,000. 9,000 plus 30,000, that's how much? 39,000. Simple. But that's what I think may look very simple, but you have created a system for life. Now, Mr. A goes out and gets 2. What happened to Charles? What happened to him? Yes. All the first time I raise your hand, 10,000 question. Sir, let me start from guys now. Why will I earn from them? Why?
Because you have created a system we call leverage.
Congratulations, 10,000 for you. Alright, because of a leverage system. Everybody say leverage. They are going to use other people's time and effort to grow anything. Hello. When I have just one person, I got what just 9,000. Now in my life, how many 2? Right, how many 2? Compensate charge for having 2 again, 2. Whether you're going to bought them or not, you get another 9,001, 9,002. This inflows to what? Infinity, non-stop. This was 12 disciples. This is just where I brought 12 disciples. When me and you gave my life to Christ, they were joy in heaven over our solar event. The same thing here. They are joy in heaven over my. Hello, why are you laughing? They are joy in my pocket over every soul that reaches out in Super Life. Good or very good? The same system, different names. Imagine 4. I wake up in the morning. This inflows to infinity, non-stop. Sometimes I wake up in the morning. My team in the US, as early as 4 a.m., I'll see 450,000 in my account. For what they did in the US, before Nigeria people will now start their own. So before night will come, it's a rain. Hello. Imagine how many joy that goes to heaven every day from people giving their life to Christ. How about 7 million churches worldwide? Every day, joy goes to heaven. And it's on daily basis. So there should be something hitting your pocket. And income is what? Daily payout. To confirm that, give all these our what? Daily bread. Daily. What if I hit your account? If you join now here, bring anybody that join now, before you leave this place, you get the money in your account, any bank of your choice. Good or very good? That's super that for you. This is for start, the smallest package. Brothers and sisters, let's look at the second package, the supreme package. This is what I just said. The supreme package is how much? 220,000. If you join as a supreme and bring 2 persons, because the payment for supreme has gone up, which is 220. If these guys pay 220 for registration, my bonus also increased. Hello? Instead of giving me what? 15,000, they will now give me what? 70,000 each. All the first timers, can you raise your hand? 10,000 question. Are you enjoying the 10,000 gift?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I talk about the PP. I say Star has also PP, Spirit has also PP, Super has also PP. What is the PP for Supreme? You guys stood up, shoot the bell, and stand down again. Expo, down there. Alright, let me ask her.
400.
Congratulations, 10,000 for her, 400. Good. 10,000. Now, the PP for Star is 100, the PP for Spirit is what? 400. Now, why I ask that question? I want to make a connection here. Watch everybody. When I had 1 star, and 1 star, how much was my parent bonus? 9,000, am I correct? Now, because the PP was 100, that's why it was 9,000. Anytime they see 100 PP, what they give is 9,000. If another star 2 register, they will see 200 PP, so it will give you 9,000 times 2. But Supreme is 400 PP. And if you check the amount for Star, it's 55,000, am I correct? The amount for Supreme is 220. If you times 55 times 4, to give you 220. So they assume that 1 Supreme is like 4 star inside 1 package. Does that make sense? So what they will do is they will do 9,000 times 4. That will be your parent bonus. That's 36,000. Too much money. Everybody say too much money. God has remembered us. I hope you know that. Somebody are shaking their heads. Especially when I come from other companies. They say, so this kind of thing exists. And we are busy rolling around for nothing. We've not seen anything here. Wait for the super package. Just wait for super package. Whether the devil like it or not, you must see this thing. By fire, by force. Look, everybody, if you have Supreme on your left, Supreme on your right, you are getting what? 36K. That's 6,000 plus what? 140 for direct bonus into 2. 140 plus 36 is what? 176,000. Zero. Right? 176,000. Now imagine your 2 get their 2. Before you wake up in the morning, you see what 30,000, 30,002, and this thing flows to where infinity non-stop. Now, but let me talk about the super package. I love the super package. That's my best package. That's a bonus that only super enjoys. Please, if you have money, run with super. How I'm telling you. One of the things that you enjoy in super life is not just the money, but the family. Super life is like a family. Strong family. We are so connected to each other. This is bringing them. Come on. Is it come on? Okay, we come on. Now, let me just talk about the super while we're waiting for this to come up. Now, super is how much? 550, right? Now, if you join as a super, come and get the same 2 persons. Then you get 2 persons that join as super. Each of them that pay 550,000 for registration. Your direct bonus is 175,000 each. 175,000, that's what you get from each person. 175 from the left, 175 from the right. It gives you what? 350,000 just for bringing 2 persons. I know a company that if you pay that same money for registration, what you get from those 2 is 10,000. 5,000 each. That's wickedness in high places. Is it for transport or something? I don't know. But that's what you get. But Superlife gives you what? 175,000 from each times 2. Watch this. For each of them that join 175,000 each times 2. That's 350,000. Then your penny bonus is 90,000 because that one is 1,000 people, 1,000. So you're taking 9,000 times 10. That's how we arrive at 90,000. It's okay. Now you get 90,000 plus 350. That's 440,000. And that is not all. Super enjoys another bonus that Star and Spirit don't enjoy. It is called a key-in bonus. Everybody say key-in bonus. Do you understand? They say key-in bonus. Key-in bonus is the bonus they pay for typing somebody's name. For me to register you, what's your name? Agnes. For me to type Agnes, date of birth, phone number. That time I'm spending to type your name is up to 2 minutes. You pay me 15,000 for wasting my time to type your name into the system. They pay me another 15,000. And that's the same thing. 15,000 times 2 is what? 30,000 plus 440. That's 470,000. I got rid of the word 550 when I joined. So I've covered my money. So this is 100% profit. But that's what it's like. This is, imagine this guy brings 2. So I bring 2. You wake up in the morning, see 90,001, 90,002, and this thing flows to infinity. Just watch. Too much money. K bonus times 2, 15,000 into 2, 30K. This is how much hits your account. Hello. Brothers and sisters. Since I was born, but now I am getting old. I have never seen a company like it. Brothers, have you seen? No, sister, brother. I have never seen a company like this. So I want to submit to you that in other places laboring and suffering. Without something to show for you, I'm here to beg you, come on to us. All you that have labored and your body and another company. Super Life will give you rest. I shared one interview, somebody invited interview to me. I said, look, one of the things I've seen happen in Super Life that you see a lot of people that have done 1 or 2 network market. All they come to Super Life, they just blow. That's the truth. They just blow. Wow, like, are you serious? And somebody want to try, okay, let me see. And they cash out. So this is real. They carry it on their head everywhere. But that's what sister, this is just for. Imagine having 20 super left, 20 super right. Hello. And see, let me tell you one good news here. There's nothing like flushing of points. Some of you that are network, I know they call flush out, am I correct? Not like flushing of points. Like have 1 million points there to remain there. Or one of my account, I say 50 million points. Any year you want to match it, and just be going. Secondly, they're not like authorship or maintenance. Some companies, every day before you cash out, you have to maintain. There's nothing like unlocking of binary. Before you can start pairing, that registration, that account must register people first. No, sir. I shared 2 days ago, I have an account under me that has over 250 million naira. Hello? I have 5 accounts in Super Life. 2 of my accounts has made over $1.5 million. And our exchange rate here is by 500. So times 1.5 million times 500. Check that much is. Hello? So you see the kind of money we make in Super Life. Some people think it's blood, but it's not blood money, it's there. So in the EFCC come, I'll show them my account statement. After looking at it, they will enjoy Super Life. They say, look, we have to join in this thing. Am I making sense? Yeah. Evidence is the end of argument. But as I said, watch this. Let me close as I show you this. 1 year lazy man scenario of the pairing bonus. Let me talk about the power of the pairing bonus. See, I'm not talking about direct bonus. I'll talk about the pairing, the power of the pairing. Are you ready? Can I have 2 guys come join me in front? Let me use them for illustration. 2 guys. Just join me here. 2 guys. That's why you are running with speed. What's the run? You need to run. It's not that. I want somebody I've not given 10,000 to before. Just I've given you before. Somebody I've not collected before. Because they will get 10,000 after the illustration. Congratulations in advance. You get 10,000. Congratulations. 10,000 has arrived. Alright, listen. Watch, just forget about the 10,000. Focus on the illustration. Alright? If you get this very well, tomorrow you can give out 20,000 to people. Yes. So watch this. I'm talking about the power of pairing in Super Life. Let's say, for instance, I joined Super Life as a star, and I brought, what's your name? Chukwuebuka, what about you? Shegu and Chukwuebuka, let's say my colleagues in the office, and before that they were looking for another source of income. So I came for this seminar and I attended and I invited all of them. They came aside and after that they still want to join. They asked me which package I did. I told them they start. I said they're coming on board as staff. Chukwuebuka joined on the right, Shegu joined on the left. As soon as both of them joined, pairing bonus is what I'm talking about. Forget about the fair bonus of 15,000. One on the left, one on the right. How much is that? 9,000. Let's say I joined the month of October, and that October I couldn't do anything because I was busy with work. It took me 1 month to introduce 2 of them. That's what you're seeing here. Can you just adjust a little? So I joined October. I didn't get anybody in October, but November I brought 1 person here, 1 person here. So I'll get how much? 9,000 for pairing bonus. Now these guys, I told them about the business. They said, okay, it's interesting. They will join. As soon as they joined, I got my 9,000. Also the last like me. They didn't get anybody down November. You can see November is still only 2. Nobody came again November 2. But by January, December, Chukwuebuka brought 2. Shegu brought 2. How much will Chukwuebuka make? 9,000. Shegu will make how much? 9,000. But our focus is on charts. How much will I make? 9,001, 9,002. That's how much? 18,000. Now these 4 guys that came December did not bring anybody December. December I see 4. By January, the 4 guys brought 2 to each. That's why you have 8 here. If I 18 to 2, you have 2, 4 on the left, 4 on the right. Times 9,000, 36,000. What I'm saying is very simple. Join this month. This 1 month to get 2. Let us choose 1 month to get 2. Operation get 2 per month. 2 per month, 2 per month. That's the power of duplication. If everybody gets 2 every month, 2 every month, for 12 good months, we have about 8,102 persons in your team. from the power of delegation. In your bank account, from the barely bonus alone, see how much you're making, 36,864,000 naira only from the barely bonus, even as a lazy man. Everybody say lazy man.
Lazy man.
What if you are crazy like some of us? I always tell people that things are easy when you are crazy about them. But nothing is easy when you are lazy about them. If you are lazy, life will not be easy. Hello? Am I making sense? But that's just from the pairing bonus alone. Everywhere is quiet. People are talking side talk. So they will talk now. But you people, when you reach now, you don't say anything. Not be only 36.8 million. Not be only 36. It's like that. In every meeting, you have two kinds of people. Who that will see challenges and who that will see opportunities. As I'm talking now, some people are already thanking God for bringing them here. They can't wait to hit the road and start running with this vision. Once some people are so they talk. Don't be today now. I say they talk everywhere. It's like that. Hello? So it's normal. I'm not here for everybody, but I know I'm here for some people. Some people that will catch the vision in 6 months' time will be celebrating with you. That's how I always like to do an illustration with this fact. The interview they granted me, I used her name on the interview. I don't know if you have seen the video. It's so easy. I love that interview because she came from one business she did before that didn't work. So when somebody told her about Superlife, she came and she was reluctant to join because of the fear of the back. She said, okay, she will get back to me. After that, she will come and start asking me questions, what I've explained before. I want to start again. Are you sure this? I said, I've explained to you now. After some time, I stopped picking her call. I'm not her patient. She will come and not pick her, just hand her over to the vice chairman. You can see the size of the vice chairman. With the side, has so much patience. So, please, can you start to let them see? See our vice chairman. I don't want to lose, please forgive me. Please, can we lose our vice chairman? This is the vice chairman of Superlife Nigeria. Sorry, let's celebrate him. Please, forgive me, sir. Alright? So I had her over to the vice chairman. So the vice chairman was taking for good 6 months. Can you imagine? Anytime vice chairman come and complain about her, so that you get time, you are not there. They have patience. Continue. They did that thing for 6 months before she finally joined. But she said, let me start from the small one. Start. I said, this lady. After 6 months, start. God will have mercy. But that's when she tested the first money, we do until she entered her account. Go back until she entered her account. That time she was staying inside Wabulada, inside. So I talk to you, business drive her Range Rover machine, because you see her white machine Range Rover. Need to see her house. She's no longer saying Wabulada, she did in Wabulada. Need to see her house in Waremba. Move from Wabulada, just 1 year plus. Hello? The brother that was cutting with her that time, the guy had got his own house, got his own car, life changed. He has her own personal office, Superlife in Abuja. Personal. You know, when they opened the office, I was like, wow, let me take a picture. Very powerful place. Transformation has happened because somebody talked to her into it. But I don't want to be like her that will take 6 months and she's regretting it today. If she had known that 6 months was a wasted time for her. Am I making sense? Till tomorrow she still regret. Wasted 6 months because she was trying to doubt. Today she has one of the largest team in Abuja here, by the grace of God. That's the power of what? Network marketing. Please, can you give these guys 10,000? All right, let them have their seat. Congratulations. Thank you for coming to the meeting. Please take, before you go and see, take your money. Confirm it. Make sure it's not 9.5. Superlife. No, women don't go stand. No. I don't like those women to stand. No, listen, I know what I do for women. Relax. I pray for them. Hello, you're coming down now. The men will give women back the money, don't know. Everybody gives to men. Superlife, anyone that enters my hand, 80% goes back to the woman. Don't know. I've seen that before. Alright, don't worry, I'll give to women. Before I do those, I'll give to women, alright? I'll do another stuff that will affect the women. So let's roll. That's for cyber sister. But let me say something. What if this I showed you now did not happen 100%? It's possible, am I correct? What if at the end of the year only 50% happened? That's still about 18 million. It's a good business. I want to ask you a question. How many people did you produce here? What did you say? That is the sweet system of this part of this business. Now imagine, just say the worst happened, only 10% happened. 10% of this money is what? Is it a good business? 3.6. Brothers and sisters, it will be a shame for you to be in Superlife after 1 year making this money. I'm not, I'm telling you. I'm telling you this in 1 year. Some months my tag is 5.8 million. I met my senior pastor on last week Friday or last week Monday after our fasting. Went in the office to go and sow seed after the fasting. Before I started business, I said, "What do you want God to do for you?" I said, "I want my tithe to move from 5 point something to 20 million every month." He said, "Leader, let me pray for you." Every month, I'm not saying every year, in a month. How will it feel? Paying tithe of 10 million every month, 15 million, 20 million. How will it feel? Can I pray for the women? Receive it. The men to receive it. Brothers and sisters, don't wait. See, let me tell you one secret. If you want to blow, be very aggressive as soon as you join. Be very what? Aggressive. What you do the first 6 months of joining business matters. Owner, she can't stand it. She's a single mother. Say she cannot wait. I say God will do it. It's not just Shima will do it, but God will do it through Superlife. And some of you here will have the same testimony. We are trekking now before December, you'll be a car owner through Superlife. So shall it be for you. Brothers and sisters, get aggressive. I was sharing with them on Monday, so let me show you I can make 23 billion naira from now till July, and it's very possible. And also talk about the promo too for the car. If you join now, tell yourself, give yourself target that from now till July, I must get at least 100 super to join. Do you know if they employ you in a bank, now they just give you employment letter, so before they permanent as a staff, you must get up to 500 people that bring 550,000 to the bank. If you get 100 people that bring 500, that's a small job for you now. From now to July. Am I correct? Just bring 100 people that will do this. They say you are here. Something will be pushing from a village. You have tried 1 or 2 things, it's not working. Let me show you how to escape from generational curse. Are you ready? Yes, are you ready? Now, if you are here, something that is pushing from a village, you have been doing this and they're not working. See, imagine this is me and something is pushing me from my village. And I gave me a certain and this opportunity and I registered. If I introduce Lawrence, I introduce Chiboy, I want to ask you a question. That thing that is pushing me in my village, will you pursue Chiboy and Lawrence? What's your business with them? Before you can think about pursuing them, they'll bring this one. Will you pursue these ones too? Before they can pursue everybody here, they are pursued 96 million into my account. Generational cost. Broken. This guy is free at last. See, let me be honest with you. All these witches are with that. They don't know anything about the internet. When they come to the internet, they are useless. Stupid. They cannot operate on the internet. They know your shop address. They will take your name, go there, and say nobody should come there and buy. So they are operating the local. That's what they call them native, traditional things. They don't know anything about the internet. Move beyond them. Go to the world internet. Move. The reason why they are chasing and they are getting because they are trying to do it alone. Bible say 1 can chase 1,000, 2 or 10,000. There is power in snake. You get connected. It is written, woe to him that is alone. You are alone. That's why they can get you. Get connected. They never get connected. As I close, I want to ask you a question. If your biological father comes up to you and say, my son, my daughter, I want to make money. Do this and do this, you will succeed. After your father finishes talking to you, Bill Gates walks up to you and say, if you want to make money, do like this and do like this, you will succeed. Be very honest. Who will you listen to? Bill Gates or your father? Bill Gates. You disobey your father. You don't care how your father will feel. You don't care. Why? No result. Hey, this guy is a harsh show. See, father paid your school fees and everything, you don't listen to him. It's okay, I understand. Listen, let me tell you the truth. How many of you can remember the name of your great-great-great-grandfather? Great-great-great-great-grandfather. You say you remember their life. Do you know why you cannot remember their name? They did not leave anything for you. All you do with their name. And even at this your age, they call you, come to the bank, sign this document. They say, who? They say there's 2 billion here, care for you, by your great-great-grandfather. First of all, you ask what is his name. You will never forget that name in your life. Is it possible? The great-great-grandchildren of Dangote, didn't even forget Dangote name. Forget that. I wonder who is still alive today because what you left for them. You don't want your great-grandchildren to forget your name. Remember, leave something for them. As I close, listen to what Bill Gates said. Bill Gates was asked a question of recent. They said that if you lose everything you have as a man and want to start all over again, what will you do? This is the answer Bill Gates gave. I want us to look at it together. Want to go? They asked him why. He said because of the concept of leveraging. That can be in America, in Africa, working for me. Are you aware that Donald Trump is a networker? American former president. He's a networker. He does presentation like this when I'm doing on network marketing. He has written book on network marketing. That's where he made most of his money from. Network marketing. They understand the power of leverage. Him and Robert Kiyosaki wrote one book. Why we want you to be rich? That's what go look for it. Why we want you to be rich? Donald Trump and Robert Kiyosaki on network marketing. People like Jim Rohn made over $500 million in network marketing. $3 million you're a billionaire. Just $3 million. But this guy made $500 million in network marketing. I know a lady that taught us in one of our Zoom meetings with him. She makes $2 million every single month in network marketing. So people look at me and say, this guy, I don't look at them, I've not seen anything yet. I've not bought my private jet now. Network has her private jet, you don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. You don't even know what you came. We have got to initiate you into wealth. Very soon they will say you're into court. Your place, don't worry, relax. That's why it's trending in my place now. I don't mind that guy, I don't use the word courtism. Court, serious one. Carry church, they come to See, you blow to the level that people start talking about you, you're not seeing money, am I correct? Get to that level, people start complaining, no, that's not normal. Now look at this, let me talk about the car promo. Hold on. The car promo is for everybody that is signing up from 1st of February. Everybody that will sign up from this month, they're the one that are eligible for the car promo. Now what do you need to do? First of all, you need to be in super. For the car promo, you must be in super. Join us in super. Alright. Join us in super. Then from now, February 1st to July 31st, become a Ruby member. Everybody say Ruby. Ruby. What is Ruby? Ruby is someone that has made just more money. See, just here. See all our rank. See all our rank reach. See, first one, if you make $5,000, you are a leader. $5,000 will make it here, but now it's 2 weeks. Am I correct? So become leader here in 2 weeks. So we become Sapphire, $10,000 in less than 1 month. Some people 1 month plus. Then Ruby, $25,000. They say if you hit this rank, just the third rank, from now to July, ending, the company will still give you a car, apart from the $25,000 that's in your account. $25,000 times 500 is how much? 12.5 million. So from now to July, if you make 12.5 million naira, they will still give you a car on top. Simple. Hello? I wish they gave us this kind of promo when I joined. Even old members are angry. A lot of old members are angry because they did not give us opportunity to even partake. For one man called me from Lokoja. I know she said, so I'll register my mother and qualify. I said, that's wisdom, but you don't even sit in that line though. She said, I'll register another car with my mother and push out to Ruby. And it's very simple. You get a brand new car from the company from now to July. So old members, and they'll give you wisdom. Can you just put on another account, fresh account, because I want to see the date that I signed for February, all right? So you can run from that to that. All the this will get there. So look at the rank. People are making already too much money. God has helped us. Super life. Okay, this is my house in the village. This is my village house. So I was built like very, before you know it, they say it's blood money, very fast. Then this is okay, this was my pocket coordinator, one of our cars got. Let me show you the thing I did Christmas last year. Just few of the things I did last year in December. Alright, this is inside my hotel room. This cash you are seeing was inside my hotel room. This was the cash I brought out. The vice chairman, the chief boy, and all of us. We started putting this money inside envelope from morning, 8 a.m. to almost 4. Our bank were paying us, packaging this money for widows. I looked at myself, I said, this money people are looking for to go and buy land, buy car. And you are sharing just for widows. You don't see the joy in my heart. You know why? I know where God picked me from. So now I know what it means not to have. I said it on Facebook, this is my best Christmas ever. 800 widows. Rice. 10 kg bag of rice. This rice, you see, each of the bag of rice is 5,000. Then give them 5,000 again. That's 10,000 each. That each one was 8 million. Then wrapper. The Igwe got his own and all that. Imagine how will you feel if this person is your son as a woman? The joy of every woman is to see their children do well. You don't know what it means for you to make your family proud. It's a great joy in their heart. They are proud of you. People don't talk to them anyhow again. As I was doing that, one old man was passing. Old man. The man came. Some man came and brought the umbrella and covered me under the sun. See, this umbrella is a sign of protection. Now this has never happened in this community before. And someone might be angry with you for doing it. Say, I'm covering you, that not evil shall befall me. I say, amen. So I gave the man 20,000. I said, thank you for this art. God bless you. The man said, this umbrella, I dash you dead. Kind of protection. Permanent protection. So I don't sell that for you. So the man sold the umbrella for 20,000. I call or anything, just go because of strong emotions. So there was massive demand for the product. So I just at home I was making money. The money was too much. I said, no, I cannot just sit down in this house. Let me go and do palliative. I did palliative in Abuja. I need to bring that picture, so I have those pictures. Plenty. Like we did over 3.something million naira, sharing food in different communities. Finished and went back to the village, then we did palliative again, doing all that. And this one was just designed for last year. See, women collecting. This one collecting wrapper, everybody. Come back. That's just achievement for you. Now let's read together what it says. It is not what you know that makes you, it is what you do, what you know that makes you. Before I conclude, I would like you to watch the video. It's video ready. Just watch the video. After the video, then I'll make a promo for you. Then you can make your registration and we'll close. Our office, Superlife office, is just here, opposite this place, across the road. Before, after you visit transport, you see Ali Road Plaza, third floor, Superlife office. So that's our office. So the place we used on Monday, the crowd was much, so we have to use hotel. Also making an arrangement to get a bigger place. Here I cannot take us. We're trying to see what I can be using here. We're trying to see what I can be using here every week. But you can see the space is not taking us, so we have to look for another space. I also communicate to you. But next week, Wednesday, we have this seminar again, outdoor, outside the office. In the office, we have seminar every day, Monday to Saturday. But once every week, we're going to be taking one outside the office because of the crowd we're having. So we'll give you the venues because here is not taking us again. This is the first time we're coming here, you can see. All the jam pack, people are standing everywhere. So next week, Wednesday, before Wednesday, we'll give you the new date. It will be a bigger place than this. Is it good or very good? Yeah. We'll keep pushing, and before you know it, we'll do it seminar in stadium. Is it good? Which of them? Okay. All right, just watch. Watch this.
Happy New Year to all of you. I want to prophetically welcome you to our 2021, which have been declared as our B-level year. Alright, people have been asking, what's the B-level year for? What is all about the B-level? Now the B stands for the blessing of God. The blessing of God that make richer and so trust me, it's going to be a sorrowful year for all Superlife members. The B also stands for breakthrough. So it's going to be a breakthrough year for us. One breakthrough after another breakthrough. The B also stands for big things. So expect the big things to happen. I can big houses, big cars, big team is growing up, big office are being open. The B stands for beyond, going beyond the things I've never actually done before. That will happen for all this year. The B stands to become. I imagine you become with Superlife business. The B also stands for the billionaires. So this year we are close to the billionaire level. We have seen millions by the grace of God, but this year we are moving to the billionaire level. Trust me, this is a prophecy and a trust God to see happen in our life. Not just that, the B also going to be for big sacrifice, big work. We're going to put in some work we have never put in before, do something we have never done before. Because for you to see what you have never seen, you need to do what you have never done before. So get ready, guys. It's going to be our BA level, and trust me.